Hi, and welcome to the Newham Talking Therapies website. If you're visiting this website, you're probably looking for support for how you're feeling right now.
Maybe you've noticed some changes in your mood, or maybe you've noticed you're worrying or feeling anxious a lot of the time.
While these feelings are completely normal, sometimes we all need a little support in managing them when they become too much. We don't need to manage on our own.
As well as one-to-one therapy, Newham Talking Therapies offers a range of convenient workshops and treatment groups covering many different topics such as depression, general anxiety and anxiety in social situations, worry, panic and much more.
We also have some helpful one-off workshops for you to try, if this is more suited for you.
All of our groups are currently running online, so you can attend these from the comfort of your own home or personal space.
We value your privacy, and all of our online therapies are run under strict confidential conditions.
To access more information about our groups or workshops,
please click the Get Started link at the top of this website where you can enter some basic registration details. Or call us directly to speak to a member of the team who can help you get started.
Remember you are not alone.
We are here to help, and we're really looking forward to hearing from you.
And we look forward to working with you.